Yoga is an ancient Indian practice that is more relevant today than ever before. In a world racing against time, where stress, anxiety, and lifestyle diseases are on the rise, yoga offers a much needed pause, a way to reconnect with the body, mind, and the breath. As the world gears up to observe the 11th International Day of Yoga on 21st of June, this year's theme, Yoga for One Earth, One Health, underscores the powerful connection between personal well-being and the health of our planet. So how does this centuries-old wisdom support modern preventive healthcare? Here's a report by DD India's Harshita Oberoi.
One of India's greatest gifts to the world. Not just a series of postures or breathing techniques, it is an art, a science, a philosophy of life. Yoga is not simply about fitness, it is about balance. Balance between body and mind, energy and awareness, motion and stillness. And that balance is exactly what we're losing today. As lifestyle diseases surge and mental health crises deepen, the modern era brings with it an invisible epidemic of anxiety, insomnia, restlessness, and disconnection. We often treat the symptoms, but what about the cause? This is where yoga steps in, not just as a remedy, but as a preventive power rooted in ancient tradition. When practiced regularly, yoga transforms into a powerful shield against today's most common lifestyle diseases like diabetes, hypertension, obesity, and anxiety. With regular practice, yoga balances hormones, improves metabolism, reduces stress, and strengthens immunity. Beyond disease prevention, yoga sharpens mental clarity, improves sleep, enhances flexibility, and builds strength. Each breath and posture moves you closer to a healthier, calmer, and more resilient version of yourself. The techniques are simple, the benefits profound. Each asana is a message that strength lies in stillness. Each breath is a reminder that life flows through rhythm. June 21st marks the 11th International Day of Yoga. The theme this year is Yoga for One Earth, One Health. A message that reminds us that individual well being and planetary health go hand in hand. So, what's stopping us? Include yoga in your routine. Just a few minutes a day can lead to a lifetime of balance. Because in the dance between stagnation and motion, yoga is the balance we all seek. Harshita Obroy's report, Wellness Watch, DD India.